Imagine standing perfectly still on a quiet, windless night, gazing up at the stars. Everything seems peaceful, serene, and motionless. But here's the twist. Nothing in space is ever truly at rest. In fact, everything above your head is constantly in motion, racing through the cosmos at astonishing speeds. But why? Why is everything in space always moving, and where is it all headed? Let's unravel this cosmic dance together. The universe is a vast and dynamic place filled with galaxies, stars, planets, asteroids, and even the tiniest particles, all in perpetual motion. From the spinning of Earth on its axis to the orbiting of planets around the sun, and even the expansion of the universe itself, motion is the heartbeat of the cosmos. But to understand why everything moves, we need to dive into the very nature of space, time, and the forces that govern them. To start with, let's go back to the beginning, back to the Big Bang. About 13.8 billion years ago, the universe was born in a massive explosion of energy. This event didn't just create matter, it set everything in motion. The energy from the Big Bang propelled matter outward, creating the first movements that would ripple through space and time. But motion didn't stop there. As the universe expanded, gravity began to play its part. Gravity, the force that pulls objects together, is the architect of much of the motion we observe in space. It's the reason planets orbit stars, moons orbit planets, and galaxies swirl in majestic spirals. Without gravity, the universe would be a very different and much less dynamic place. One of the most fascinating things about space is that once something starts moving, it keeps moving, unless something stops it. This idea is rooted in Newton's first law of motion, often called the law of inertia. In the frictionless vacuum of space, there's nothing to slow objects down. So whether it's a planet orbiting a star or a comet hurtling through the solar system, these objects keep moving in their paths until another force, like gravity, alters their course. For instance, Earth keeps orbiting the sun because there's no air resistance to slow it down. The only thing acting on it is the sun's gravity, which pulls it into a nearly circular path, balancing the planet's desire to move in a straight line with the pull towards the sun. But there's an even bigger movement happening on a grand cosmic scale. The expansion of the universe itself. This movement is a legacy of the Big Bang, with space itself stretching and pulling galaxies apart from one another. This expansion isn't slowing down. In fact, it's accelerating, driven by a mysterious force we call dark energy. So not only is everything in the universe moving, but the very fabric of space is also stretching, adding another layer to this intricate cosmic dance. So why is everything in space always moving? It's the result of the universe's fiery birth, the relentless pull of gravity, and the fundamental laws of physics that dictate motion in the vacuum of space. But the story doesn't end here. There's still so much to explore and understand about the universe's motion, from the tiniest particles to the largest cosmic structures. As we continue our journey through space, each discovery brings us closer to answering the deeper questions about our place in this ever-moving cosmos. If you're fascinated by the mysteries of the universe and the forces that drive it, stay curious, keep asking questions, and let's continue exploring the universe together. The adventure is just beginning. Thanks for joining us on this cosmic journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations into the wonders of space. Keep your eyes on the stars, and remember, the universe is always in motion. See you in the next video.